Hey guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. This video is going to be about NIO. We're going to break down from a technical standpoint where I think it's heading, basically the normal things that I do. Now if you're new, go ahead and hit like and subscribe button. Thank you for being here. Appreciate all of the support. And if you haven't joined my free Discord, go ahead and hop in here. Link in the description below, completely free. Let's get right into the video and let's break down NIO from a technical standpoint. So if you've been watching my NIO videos consistently, for the whole week, I was talking about all the way up at NIO Day. So let's recap it. So NIO Day, it gapped up. What happened? We found sellers here. We found sellers here. Tried to push up, and then we've just been getting rejected by this general area right here. I talked about this in my last video. I said, hey, this 63.52 area, it's going to be a tough time for NIO. If we're going to be bullish on NIO, we need to get above it and stay above it. That was the important part. Now, yesterday, we were unable to do that. We tried to push up. We sold off, got rejected, and then for the other part of the day we tried to recover a little, but not really. Now what happened today, where is it going, and let's talk about that. So with NIO today, I said this in my last video. I said it looks like we're heading on down to $59, and surely we're doing that. It's a slow, just bleed off into $59. Now let's talk about what happened today, the story. So we pushed up. What happened? We got rejected and instantly sold off. That's why I was telling you guys that this area right here, this resistance at 63.40, 63.30, around that area, there's a lot of sellers. So we know that if we're ever going to be bullish on NIO again, which we will, we need to get above this wall right here. It's a huge wall. We've been trying to get above it, but it keeps rejecting us. It rejected us today, and I said that in my last video. I said it looks like we're slowly bleeding off to $59. Plan still has not changed. I think it's still coming to $59. I mean, we're right on the edge of it. Notice we're just in this slow bleed off. So I know if you've been watching NIO, then yes, it's heartbreaking to watch. I know if you're in a long position, especially just watching your money go all the way down. But hopefully a lot of y'all left comments in my last video saying that you locked in profits and you're just waiting for a better opportunity. Or a lot of you have, a low average here at $48. So if you're doing that, then that's completely fine. You probably don't even worry about these dips, rightfully so. So now, what am I looking at for tomorrow and for the rest of the day? Tomorrow's Friday, not expecting too much, so I do think tomorrow is going to be another sell-off day. I mean, we tried to push up today, got rejected, so that's why I think tomorrow is going to be another sell-off day. So let's draw it out and let's talk about how this could look. So let's say tomorrow is red. I'm looking for buyers to show up here. So if you're looking for that entry, if you've been patient, you've been looking to get in more shares because you sold off at the top over here, this is your time. This is your time to get in. Now, I trade NIO, so I would have a stop loss here. If you're an investor that sold off up here and you just looking to get back in to go long, for however many months it may be, then you don't have to follow the stop loss that I do. Like I said, I trade it, so that's why I have my stop loss. Now, $59, amazing dip buy. That's where I'm looking for the buy. Now, when's if it gets below $59? Well, the next area I'm looking at is for $57. Now, that's only though if we get below $59, which we could. I mean, we've been on this slow bleed off. But guys, this bleed off right here, it's not panic, right? It's not huge red candles like we saw over here. It's nothing to worry about. This is just a normal sell-off. So that's why I'm not worried about NIO. Together, I'm not worried about it because this is just a healthy pullback. And as long as we continue this, controlled sell-off, then we will be fine. There's no panic here. I know a lot of y'all been watching NIO. You've been seeing it sell off, and you're wondering when it's going to go back up, especially if you're long in it. Well, like I said, the first area I'm looking at is this $59 mark. And I talked about that yesterday, and it happened today. We got rejected. We came down. We did hit lows of $60. We found buyers. But I do think we're going to break that $60 wall tomorrow and head down to $59. Now, I could be wrong, and if I am, what area does it need to get to be above bullish? Well, intraday, I would say the bottom of these candles right here, 61.73. So if you want to see if it's bullish tomorrow, the area you need to look at is 61.73, just because it's the bottom of these candles and it is going to act as a resistance. Now, if we are bullish tomorrow, that's the level I'm looking at, and then ultimately still we need to get above 63.52. So we still have a climb to go for NIO, but I'm really liking this $59 dip. It's a perfect dip buy, especially since we gapped up so many times, last week. We gapped up on Friday, gapped up on Monday. So this thing just needs a healthy pullback, and this will give you an amazing opportunity to go in long. Now, like I said, if we get below $59, then my plan would probably be $57 because that was an all-time high. So that's going to be an area of support. And it definitely, if it gets below 57, 53 is the ultimate dip buy for NIO, and that would just look healthy as well. Either way, still bullish on NIO long term. It's got a lot of growth potential, a lot of things that are coming for NIO, especially in 2021. Exciting for NIO, but we're still having that dip. It's completely normal, completely fine. So don't panic, and if you're long, just ride it out. Either ways, guys, thank you for being here. Appreciate all the support, all you've been giving me. It truly means a lot to me. And if you haven't, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It truly means a lot to me, and I will see you all in the next video.